Top 5 Best 3-Channel Dash Cams of 2026. A dash cam can be one of the smartest upgrades for your vehicle. Whether you drive to work every day, take long road trips, we researched and compared some of the most popular options available today. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out. Let's get started. Number 5. Reddiger Vision Pano 25-30-degree Dash Cam. The Reddiger Vision Pano 20 is a strong option for drivers who want broad vehicle coverage without spending a premium price. This model uses a unique 3-camera setup that records the front, cabin, and rear at the same time. One of its biggest advantages is the wide viewing coverage, which helps reduce blind spots around the vehicle. The video quality is impressive for price. The front and interior cameras record at 2.5 kilobyte resolution, while the rear camera captures clear, full high-definition footage. This setup provides useful detail during daytime driving and can help capture important information after an incident. 530-degree coverage, touchscreen display, and built-in GPS are 3 features that help this model stand out. The touchscreen makes navigation simple, while the GPS can record route and speed information for added documentation. The lack of an included memory card may add a small extra cost. Still, considering its wide coverage and user-friendly design, the Reddiger Vision Pano 20 delivers excellent value for drivers looking for all-around protection. Number 4. Vantru N5S 4-Channel Dash Cam. The Vantru N5S is designed for drivers who want one of the most complete monitoring systems available. Its 4-camera setup records the front, rear, cabin, and additional interior angles to create nearly complete vehicle coverage. This makes a strong choice for rideshare drivers, business vehicles, and anyone who wants maximum protection. Video quality is one of the biggest highlights. The front camera records in high-resolution 2.7 kilobyte quality, while the additional cameras capture clear footage from every important angle. This helps provide useful evidence if an accident occurs. For channel recording, STARVIS 2-night vision, and voice control are key reasons this model ranks highly. The STARVIS sensor technology performs very well in low-light conditions and helps improve clarity during nighttime driving. Its premium price may place it outside some budgets. However, for users who prioritize complete vehicle surveillance and advanced technology, the Vantru N5S is one of the most capable dash cams available today. Number 3. BotSlab 3 Kilobyte 4-Channel Dash Cam. The BotSlab G980H offers a feature set that balances performance, convenience, and value. Unlike many competing models, it includes a memory card in the box, making setup faster and easier for new users. The camera system provides excellent vehicle coverage with 4 recording channels working at the same time. The front camera captures detailed footage, while the side and rear cameras help monitor areas that traditional dash cams often miss. 560-degree coverage, touchscreen control, included 128GB memory card are standout features that add real value. The included storage means drivers can begin recording immediately after installation. Built-in GPS and fast wireless connectivity also simplify file management. Video clips can be reviewed and shared quickly when needed. Although the design includes several cameras, installation remains relatively straightforward. Overall, the BotSlab G980H delivers a strong combination of coverage, convenience, and performance that makes it a competitive choice in this category. Number 2. ASDOM M660 4-Channel Dash Cam. The ASDOM M660 is an excellent option for drivers who want advanced features and flexible camera positioning. Its 4 adjustable lenses allow users to customize viewing angles based on vehicle type and driving needs. 4 adjustable lenses, built-in 128GB storage, and voice control make this camera particularly attractive. The integrated storage removes the need to purchase a memory card separately, while voice control allows hands-free operation during driving. Night recording quality is enhanced through infrared technology, helping improve visibility in darker conditions. This is useful for city driving and overnight parking situations. The companion app also supports convenient footage management. Users can review recordings, update firmware, and adjust settings directly from a smartphone. For drivers seeking a feature-rich dash cam with excellent flexibility and built-in storage, the ASDOM M660 stands out as one of the strongest choices available in 2026. Number 1. Toronto 4KB front and rear 3-channel dash cam. Best pick. The Toronto 4KB dash cam earns a top position because it combines strong performance, useful features, and outstanding value into one affordable package. While many competitors require additional purchases, this model includes a 128GB memory card, making it ready to use right out of the box. Ultra high definition 4KB recording, built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, and included 128GB memory card are three major reasons why this product takes the #1 spot. The fast wireless connection makes transferring recordings quick and convenient. For drivers who want a dependable 3-channel dash cam that offers excellent value without sacrificing essential features, this is the strongest overall choice on our list. Final verdict. After comparing all 5 models, the Toronto 4KB front and rear 3-channel dash cam stands out as the best overall choice. It offers excellent video quality, built-in GPS, fast wireless connectivity, parking protection, and an included 128GB memory card at a very competitive price. For most drivers, it delivers the best combination of performance and value. Be sure to check the links in the description for current pricing, discounts, and additional product details before making your final decision.